welcome back to Ocean Restaurant here in beautiful Villa Vita Park. Next dish I'm going to show you is one of our, let's call it a classic. It's a classic vegan dish, very strongly orientated of the heritage of the Algarve, where we are. The Algarve used to be for many years in a Maoris control, as it used to be Arab. So by that time they brought the oranges to the area. That's why we have here a huge area with very strongly in growing oranges, and plus also the cumin. The cumin was brought by the Portuguese also around that time, I think 200-300 years later, and those flavors really play well here in the Algarve. You get this in every restaurant here when you go to the beach. You get carrots cut in small pieces and marinated with cumin and vinegar and coriander. So we decided to make a dish with the two main ingredients from the Algarve, the orange and the carrot. We decided to make XO sauce ourselves. We dry the carrots, we dry onions, we dry garlic and different vegetables, and then we reduce it into a XO. We fermentate it for a week, and then we keep it 6 weeks in bottles. So you get these really intense flavors, which we use to make the marinade for it. Here, what you see here, we have a nice ragu made out of carrots, courgettes, garlic, crunchy onions. You know, really deep umami flavor. We also put a little bit mushroom powder inside, so you get some really strong umami flavors, which you would probably not expect from a vegan dish. Then we just pickle the carrot slices. We dress it up a little bit like yin yang, you know, to look fancy. We fill one chamber up with a Tonburi caviar, which is considered the caviar of the earth. It's from a Japanese flower where they just take the seeds. In the middle we have some carrot and orange puree, which is a traditional flavor combination that works everywhere. But here in the Algarve it has really deep roots. And then we just have the XO vegetables here in between. I'm gonna finish it up now with this stock we made. We reduce the XO down, we pass it off, we make it into a clear stock. So here you have all these cumin flavors, orange flavors, and this deep, because of the crunchy onions and that stuff, it gives it seriously a deep flavor. You would expect this power, probably not from a vegan dish, but I think it's, in that case, it really worked very well. Then we made here some little carrot chips. They're made out with tapioca and carrot puree. You know, just cook it all together. You spread it up, you dry it, and then we can fry it out. So you have this different crunchiness. So we also have some crunchy flavor to create a different sensation in your mouth. And in the end of the day, we just decorate it out. On the side with a little coriander. How you call coriander? Yeah, it's very typical in the Algarve. There's very few traditional dishes where there's no coriander inside. Portuguese love their coriander. And I also believe that with that dish it gives a really lovely deepness. Down here. Okay, so down here. So yeah, we put here on top. So that's actually it already.